You want anything?
No.
Are you sure? Because you aren't getting any of my food.
I'm sure.
That's it.
I'll have your food out to you in just a minute.
You feel better now?
I'll feel better when the food gets here. I'm so hungry, I'm nauseous.
Yeah? Well, not as nauseous as you're gonna be about an hour after all that greasy, starchy food hits your gut. And those jalapenos aren't gonna help either.
We'll see about that. You know, this right here, this is what makes America great. The park and eat, drive-thru, fast food restaurant.
Yeah?
Where else in the world can you do this? Well, probably lots of places now. But it started here in the good old US of A. Think about it. This is the essence of freedom and democracy. You drive up, park, your ballot is right there, and you cast your vote. You never have to get out of your car. And when you are done, you just drive on. When I think about what we do every day to keep this country safe, this is what I think about. This is what I am working to protect.
That's fascinating. But this is not a democracy. It's a representative republic. I'm gonna call headquarters and find out why our computers are down. Son of a bitch!
What's the matter now?
Out of service area. Fucking roaming charges.
So what? The agency will reimburse you the roaming charges.
Yeah? 3 months from now, after I filled all the forms and the paperwork in triplicate, and it finally makes it through the system. We're gonna go back to the hotel and use the phone there. I don't pay roaming charges.
Oh, finally.
Would you like salt or ketchup?
No, it's okay.
Hey, give me some of your tater tots,
Hey.
would ya?
Hey. Oh no, I told you, I'm not giving you any of my food.
Just give me a couple tater tots!
No way.
Do I have to remind you that I am your superior officer? I want you to give me some tater tots, and that is a direct order! Do you understand me, Agent? Surrender the tater tots!